Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Hue Play. Plug the included adapter into the bar and into power. Once the LED glows, position the bar where you want it and keep it within about 10 meters of your phone or bridge. Make sure either the Hue bridge is on your network or the Hue Bluetooth app is installed and updated. This is essential because the device needs a stable connection for registration. Without a bridge, you'll pair by Bluetooth, otherwise use the bridge for full features. Once done, open the Philips Hue app and tap Add Light. You choose Bluetooth for direct pairing or bridge mode to add via your Hue bridge. The app guides you. If prompted, press the small pairing button on the bar's power adapter or follow on-screen instructions to start discovery. When the app finds the light, assign it to a room and give it a descriptive name so scenes work reliably. If firmware appears, install it now because updates fix connectivity and feature issues. You finish by testing colors, brightness, and any sync with your TV or Hue Sync setup. Adjust placement for even wash. If the light fails to respond, power cycle it. Unplug for 10 seconds and plug back in, then retry pairing. Make sure your phone and bridge are on the same Wi-Fi band and close to the device. As a last resort, remove the light in the app and perform a factory reset. Disconnect power for 30 seconds or follow the app reset flow, then re-add it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.